Hello again, folks. Thought I'd do another little video for you. Hope the new year started off well for everybody. Today I'm going to pick this Squire padlock recently sent to me by the legendary Sammons. The reason lockdown pick is here as well is because I'm going to be using this pick what he kindly sent me, one of them. So I'm going to be picking this Squire Mercury MERC45 today, hopefully. So if it'll focus, that's for bit in. It has got a slightly sprung core, as you can see. So let's see. I'm going to go straight in at the front, sorry. There we go. That's that. Nice little pop on it. Beautiful little lock to look at, and a lovely little lock to pick. So, yeah. Thanks ever so much, Roy. Really appreciate that. That was a lovely little lock for the collection. Yeah. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. See you next time.